Hi everyone, good evening all of you. This is Chanti from InfoBuddy and today in this session we are going to discuss about the daily current affairs. This session contains 10 important topics of today's current affairs. So after every question just pause the video and write down your answers in the comment box. Coming to the first question of the day. The first ever honey testing laboratory of India has been set up in which of the following states? India's first honey testing laboratory is set up at National Dairy Development Board in Anand district of Gujarat. So option A is the correct answer. The world-class state-of-art honey testing laboratory was inaugurated virtually by Union Agricultural Minister Narendra Singh Tomar on 24th July 2020 with the aim to boost exports and ensure better rates to farmers. The facility has been established by National Dairy Development Board with support of National Bee Board. The new lab will test honey as per the norms specified by the Food Safety Regulator, that is FSSAI. The purity of honey, adulteration, chemical substances, residues, heavy metals or antibodies can be checked to help of quality production of honey and its export to other countries. So the first ever honey testing laboratory of India has been set in Anand district of Gujarat. Next question. The world's first electrified double stack container tunnel is being constructed by Indian Railways in which of the following states? The Indian Railways is constructing the world's first electrified double-stack container tunnel near Sohna, Haryana. That is option A. With this development, a double-stack container goods train will be able to run at a speed of more than 100 kilometers from within the tunnel. As per the officials related to this project, the world's first electrified rail tunnel fitted to run double-stack containers will be operational in Western Dedicated Freight Corridor, that is WDFC, Western Dedicated Freight Corridor, in next 12 months. On July 24th, two parts of this tunnel were added after a blast at 0 points of the tunnel, that is Rewari Dadri section, completing the curving of the tunnel in less than a year. This world's first electrified double-stack container tunnel is 1 kilometer long and it is situated at the Western Dedicated Freight Corridor near Sohna, Haryana. The tunnel connects two districts of Haryana, that is Mewat and Gurgaon, the two districts of Haryana. It has a steep gradient on the uphill and downhill slope of the Aravalli range. What is this WDFC? That is Western Dedicated Freight Corridor. It is a broad gauge corridor currently under construction. Once constructed, the tunnel will connect the national and business capitals of India, that is New Delhi and Mumbai. It will cover at a distance of 1483 kilometers of double lane electric track. So the world's first electrified double stack container tunnel is in Sohna, Haryana. Next, consider the following statement regarding paired cuckoo. Statement 1. They are also known as Jacobin cuckoo or chata and migrate from Mongolia. Statement 2. They are believed to be indicators of arrival of monsoon in India. There is a community of pied cuckoos in southern India as well, but those are resident birds and not migratory. Recently, the Wildlife Institute of India has decided to study the migration of paired cuckoo bird. This migration of paired cuckoo bird. This is also called Jacobin cuckoo or chatak. By tagging the bird with satellite transmitters. The study will be conducted along with the Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, that is IIRS, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, and Government of India's Department of Biotechnology. Indian Institute of Remote Sensing is a unit of the Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. Its headquarters is in Dehradun. IIRS headquarters is in Dehradun. It is a unit of ISRO. So it is a bird with black and white paired with a fancy crest on the head. Its scientific name is Clemator jacobinus and it is found in Africa and Asia. Asia. So from option 1, these are migrated from Mongolia. So it is not correct. So statement 1 is false. And they are believed to be indicators of arrivals of monsoon in India, and there is a community of pied cuckoos in southern India as well, but those are resident birds and not migratory. Correct. So both 2 and 3 correct answer. So option C is right. Coming to these pied cuckoos, there are two types of pied cuckoos found in India. It's central and northern parts of India. Pied cuckoos are migratory. So central and northern part of India. So in central and northern parts of India, pied cuckoos are migratory. They are seen only from just before the monsoon and early winter. So they are believed to be indicators of arrivals of monsoon in India. So option 2 is correct. It is believed that the pied cuckoos that come to the Himalayan foothills are from Africa. They have high sight. Pied cuckoos also found in southern India, but those are resident birds and are not migratory. So option 2 and 3 are correct answers. Southern part of India pied cuckoos are resident and central and northern part of pied cuckoos are migratory. Next question. Kurma app has been designed for which animal species? Union Environment Minister has hailed the Kurma app. This is a mobile application as a unique tool for tracking and reporting Indian turtles. So C is the correct answer. Kurma app has been designed for turtle. It is aimed at turtle conservation by providing users a database to identify a species, but also provides the location of the nearest rescue center of the turtles across the country. And it is developed by the Indian Turtle Conservation Action Network, that is ITCAN, Indian Turtle Conservation Action Network, in collaboration with the Turtle Survival Alliance India and Wildlife Conservation Society India. Indian Turtle Conservation Action Network, it is a citizen science initiative launched to provide a platform for the exchange of information on turtles and to provide assistance to enforcement agencies as well as forest departments. And Turtle Survival Alliance, it was formed in 2001 as an international union of conservation nature partnership for sustainable capacity management of freshwater turtles and tortoise. So in partnership with IUCN for sustainable capacity management of freshwater turtles and tortoise. So Kurma app has been designed for turtles. Next question. What is the rank of India among the top 10 global countries according to the Forest Resources Assessment FRA 2020 report of FAO? FAO means Food and Agricultural Organization. The Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations, Food and Agricultural Organization of United Nations, released Global Forest Resource Assessment FRA, Global Forest Resource Assessment FRA report. According to this report, India ranked third among the top 10 countries where forest cover has increased in the last decade. So India's rank is third. The Food and Agricultural Organization bring out the report once in every 5 years. The report assesses states of forests in the member countries, their conditions and management. According to the report, top country is China and the second one is Australia. First one is China and second one is Australia and third is India. Next question. The average completion time of houses under restructured Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin PMAYG is So the average completion time for houses under restructured Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana PMAYG comes down to 114 days. Initially it is 314 days. 1.10 crore houses completed, which includes houses to 1.46 lakhs landless beneficiaries. 1.10 houses with 1.46 landless beneficiaries. Target of construction of 2.95 crore houses under PMAYG expected to be achieved by March 2022. To achieve the objectives of housing for all by year 2022, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi launched the restructured rural housing scheme, namely Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin, on 20th November 2016 with the target of construction of 2.95 houses with all basic amenities by the year 2020. So the average completion time is 114 days. Option C. Next question. Fourth edition of Khelo India Youth Games KIYG to be hosted by Haryana will host the fourth edition of Khelo India Youth Games KIYG. After the 2021 Tokyo Olympics, Haryana will host the fourth edition of Khelo India Youth Games. The state's Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar and the Union Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju announced this fourth edition of Khelo India Youth Games that will host by Haryana. The games will be held in Panchkula. The inaugural edition of Khelo India Youth Games held in New Delhi, and the second edition of Khelo India Youth Games in Pune, and the third edition of Khelo India in Assam, and the fourth will host by Haryana. Next question. Which of the following has recently launched the Operation Legend? US President Donald Trump started this Operation Legend. So answer is United States of America. Recently, US President Donald Trump has started this Operation Legend. This Operation Legend is meant to maintain law and order during the upcoming presidential election on 3rd November 2020. It plans to send federal agents to more and more American cities to crack on violent crime. It has expanded the Operation Legends program to include cities such as Chicago and Albuquerque, New Mexico. The operation has been implemented by President Trump as an increase in law enforcement and military efforts so as to destroy the criminal trend as a result of the recent George Floyd assassination protest. So Operation Legend started by US President Donald Trump. Option A is correct answer. Next, which digital payment platform has launched vehicle insurance in partnership with Echo General Insurance? Digital payments major Amazon Pay has launched vehicle insurance in partnership with Bangalore-based startup Echo General Insurance. Amazon Pay, which is the payments unit of Amazon India, will help customers purchase insurance effortlessly, and Amazon Prime members will get extra benefits including additional discounts. Amazon has been selling third-party insurance products, but this partnership will enable an easy-to-use integrated buying experience for its customers. The e-commerce player promises zero paperwork coupled with features like 1-hour pickup and 3-day claim servicing along with 1-year repair warranty in few cities. Policyholders will also have an option for instant cash settlements for low-value claims, making it beneficial for customers. Additionally, customers can select from a list of add-ons like zero depreciation and engine protection, and they will be able to pay for the insurance using this Amazon Pay balance or UPI or codes. So Amazon Pay partnership with Echo General Insurance has launched this vehicle insurance. The headquarters of Amazon Pay is in Washington, United States. CEO and MD of Amazon Pay India is Mahendra Narukar, and Echo General Insurance Limited founder is Varun Dua. Echo General Insurance headquarters is in Mumbai. So option C is correct answer. Next. Who is the winner of the Football Writers Association Footballer of the Year 2020? FWA, Football Writers Association's Footballer of the Year 2020. Liverpool's Jordan Henderson wins 2020 Football Writers Association Footballer of the Year award. Jordan Henderson, option B. The captain of Premier League club Liverpool has been named for 2019 and 20 Footballer of the Year by the Footballer Writers Association. The Footballer Writers Association is an annual award given since 1947-48 season to the player who is adjudged to have been the best of the season in English football. So once again, a quick review of all these questions. First, the first ever honey testing laboratory of India has been set up in which state? Anand district of Gujarat. The world's first electrified double stack container tunnel is being constructed by Indian Railways in Sohna, Haryana. Consider the following statements regarding pied cuckoo. They are also known as Jacobin cuckoo or Chatak, and it migrated from Mongolia. It is not migrated from Mongolia, it migrated from Africa and Asia. They are believed to be indicators of arrival of monsoon in India. There is a community of pied cuckoos in southern India as well, but those are resident birds and not migratory. So these migratory birds come central India and in northern India only. So option C is correct answer. Next, Korma app has been designed for which animal species? Turtle. What is the rank of India among the top 10 global countries according to the Forest Resources Assessment FRA 2020 report of FAO? Third, the first is China, second is Australia. The average completion time for houses under restructured Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin is 114 days. Initially it is 314 days. Fourth edition of Khelo India Youth Games KIYG is Haryana. First edition in New Delhi, second edition in Pune and third edition is in Assam. Which of the following has recently launched the Operation Legend? The President of United States of America, Donald Trump, launched this Operation Legend. Which digital payment platform has launched vehicle insurance in partnership with Eco General Insurance? Amazon Pay. Option C. Who is the winner of the Football Writers Association Footballer of the Year 2020? Liverpool captain Jordan Henderson. So guys, that's it from this session. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe.